Next one, Gandhian economics. Our objective is to distribute capital among the 7.5 lakh villages in our continent, which is 1,900 mile long and 1,500 mile broad, and not to concentrate it among a few individuals. It is written by Mahatma Gandhi. So, have you noted Gandhiji's words? What is your response to this? You may record it in your notebook. So, it was Mahatma Gandhi, who is our father of our nation, who contributed original ideas in economics since Dadabhai Naoroji. His ideas can be found in his first book, Hind Swaraj. It was published in 1909. Gandhiji's ideas gave importance to moral values. According to his idea, he gave more importance for moral values and rural economy. Rural means village economy. His idea of trusteeship led to fresh thoughts in the area. His idea was trusteeship, means to have a trust. Gave fresh ideas taught in the area. Through trusteeship, Gandhiji aimed at an economy which is founded on truth and non-violence. Trusteeship means its main objective is to have truth and non-violence. See here, trusteeship. The main ideas of Gandhiji's trusteeship are as follows. The capitalist has to denounce sole ownership and declare that he holds wealth as a trustee of the public. A trustee has no other hire but the public. The nature of production is decided by the society and not by the individual's choice or greed. Just as we decide about minimum wages needed for a modest living, there must be a limit to maximum wage as well. So, we can compare his main ideas as follows. Priority to rural agriculture system. He gave importance for the rural agriculture system. Emphasis on small and cottage industries. Gave importance for the growth of small and cottage industries. Formation of an economic built on equality. Economic should build on equality. There should not be any discrimination for poor and rich, caste, religion, etc. A self-sufficient and self-reliant local economy. Many Indian economists were impressed by the economic ideas of Gandhiji. Economists like J.C. Kumarappan, Sriman Narayan, and Dharampal wanted independent India's development to give priority to agriculture and small-scale industry. Amartya Sen is an Indian economist who received the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. If they ask for one word, what you have to give? Amartya Sen is an Indian economist who received a Nobel Prize for Economics in which year? 1998. His major works covered vast areas like welfare, economic inequality and development. He gave importance for welfare of the economic and economics inequality and for the development of the economy. He pointed out the flaws in determining the poverty line and concentrated his studies on poverty, inequality and famine. He gave importance for the determination of poverty. That means to study on poverty, inequality, discrimination between peoples and famine. Famine means scarcity of food. So here the contribution made by some leading Indian economists during the various stages of development of economic are discussed. Such thoughts influence the economic policy formulation of the country. Try to complete this. So economic is constantly growing area of study. It goes on, it grows on. Okay. So its study enables us to find solution to socio-economic problems and to understand the emergency of